Hello everyone, this is Tanya. Welcome you to the channel Cine Vibe Reactions. So today I'm going to react with the official trailer for Bachwara 1947, directed by Rajkumar Santoshi, which stars Sunny Deol Sir, Shabana Azmi Ma'am, Preeti Zinta Ma'am, and Ali Fazal. So let's just revisit one of the most painful chapters in the Indian subcontinent's history through a deeply personal story. Six Amritsar's Productions.
देश की आजादी मुबारक हो।
आपको भी बहुत मुबारक।
Oh, the glimpse of British
कौन सी आजादी और किसका मुल्क? ये
gap.
हिंदुओं का मुल्क है, हिंदुओं का।
खुदा के लिए यहाँ से निकलिए।
नया घर और नया सफर मुबारक हो। अब ये घर हमारा है, यहाँ की हर चीज हमारी है।
अम्मा यहाँ कोई है?
कौन है आप?
तुम कौन हो? जो मेरे कारज घुसा है?
कस्टोडियन वालों ने ये मकान हमें अलॉट किया है। आप यहाँ नहीं रह सकती।
मैं कितने नहीं जाना। ये मेरा घर है।
She hits different just after
ਮੈਨੂੰ
interdisciplinary.
ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੁਸਲਮਾਨ से ज्यादा हिंदू की फिक्र है।
आप मुझे धमका रहे हैं?
पंगा लेना है?
इरादा तो नहीं, पर एतराज भी नहीं है।
मिट जाएगा। ये हिंदू बुढ़िया सबनों हिंदू धर्म का पाठ पढ़ा रही है।
वो लोग कहते हैं मैं नापाक हूँ।
मंदिर भी बना रखा है, मंदिर तोड़ दो।
मंदिर तोड़ना इस्लाम नहीं है।
हमें क्या खतरा है? कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है।
पर जान के लिए ईमान तो नहीं छोड़ा जाता।
कोई मजहब बुरा नहीं होता है, अच्छा बुरा आदमी होता है।
तू उस बात को नहीं जानता।
और तू मेरे बाप को नहीं जानता। ना घर देखेंगे ना सरहद, सीधा घुस के मारेंगे।
लगा दूंगा पूरे शहर को।
हिंदू औरत के लिए आप
हिंदू औरत वो माँ है। माँ को हिंदू मुसलमान में ना बांटिए। माँ अपने आप में एक मजहब है। हर इंसान का पहला मजहब माँ है। हर बच्चे के मुंह से निकला पहला लफ्ज माँ है।
Partition between. So this is why this is extraordinary. This is something. Whew. So right from the beginning of the scene, you feel the fear, uncertainty. At least, I mean, you were forced to choose between families and your survival. What a beautiful, heart-touching trailer it is. I mean, this is hats off to the director Rajkumar Santoshi ji for such a brilliant story. I mean, it's I know that it's uh, I'm just out of words. It is penned after a play, but what it is, someone carries it to just promote it through a film. This is hats off, brilliant. And Sunny Deol, so I think he brings his trademark, which is intensity. But what I felt that these times it feels more like emotional than just being so heroic. And Preeti Zinta, after such a long gap, watching her once again, she looks absolutely phenomenal. Just she was one time used to be, and definitely Shabana Azmi ma'am's I mean, what a performance! What a performance! I think she just nailed it. Even in just few scenes, she just put a goosebumps on you. Oh, buddy. So I think she brought so much dignity and strength to her character. And what I liked about the story that few dialogues from Sunny Deol Sir's about religion, and that the mother thing, that was so amazing, and I could relate with it so much. I can't just tell you. And also I felt that Ali Faisal also leads a very strong performance also, I think. Amazing. So what impressed me all throughout the trailer was that every cast just did their best. I didn't know all of them definitely, but I loved each and every individual's performance. It was just opt for the character, it was much needed. So the trailer focuses on humanity, for, on my perspective, rather than just the conflicts, the survival of the common people. I mean, the exploring how ordinary people suffered from the partition. So that touched me the most. So it's coming on 14 August. We are very near to just releasing the film. I just hope that Batwara 1947 holds a very meaningful message and people just appreciate this film. So yes, so for what's your opinion? I would like to know that. For you, do you think that Batwara 1947 will be one of the most emotional historical dramas in recent years, or you are just uh, whooping for some definite character? I would love to know from you, and I would love to know more. If you have any story in your mind regarding this type of, let me know in the comment section. So if you are liking our videos, don't just go away without giving this video a like, share as much as you can, and please subscribe our channel if you are tapping for the first time. See you in the next reaction video. Thank you.